Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of Pro Audio settings and Pro Audio applications in Zorin OS. So I have installed Zorin OS 18, that is the latest release of Zorin OS. So I have installed the free version of Zorin OS, that is Zorin OS 4.18, and already I have downloaded the Linux audio setup scripts from the Brendan Ingram's website or the GitHub page. I will leave the link of the GitHub page of Brendan Ingram. So he has created the scripts for many different Linux distributions. The script for Arch is there, Debian, Fedora, Manjaro, Mint, Neon, Ubuntu, Zorin OS is there, and he keeps on updating them as the new releases of these distributions come. In few months time he releases a new script for the newer version of the given Linux distributions. So for Zorin OS, the scripts are available for the Zorin OS 16 as well as the Zorin OS 18. So already what I have done is I have opened up the terminal here in the folder where the install audio script for Zorin OS 18 is there, and I have already done the change mode. So I have given the permissions to the script to run. Now you have to just start the installation. You have to input your password and the script should start its work. Yes, you can see that the different repositories of Zorin OS are available. I installed the OBS Studio from the OBS Studio project page. You can see here. So some unwanted packages are shown because the system ran the update and the upgrade command. And few of the packages for Zorin OS will be updated. I think it is mostly related to the printer packages and the GStreamer, media GStreamer. Once the update and upgrade is over, the actual installation of the Pro Audio will start on Zorin OS 18 core version. So I have already shown you the core version of Zorin OS 18 in the beta version. So beta was released. I had made prepared a video what is new in the Zorin OS 18. So you can watch that video. I think just 1 month back I had released that video. You can check out in the Zorin OS playlist. First, it will install the Liquorix kernel. Yes. So what is it in installing? It is installing IRQ balance, label trace, lib ELF file, Z standard file, library files, Linux header. So it will install the latest Liquorix kernel 6.17 on your system. Now the installation of Pipeware has started. Linux kernel is now installed. So the installation instructions for Pipeware are given here. So these are the installation instructions for Pipeware for the Debian. So you can visit this web page. I will open a link and we will check this out later. And the original repos are here for the Pipeware. You can check them. This is for the Blueman, that is the Bluetooth manager, and this is for the Debian Pipeware settings. So this will open up, some script will be there, and you have to run this to install the Pipeware for Pro Audio on Debian systems. So we will just minimize this right now. Okay. First, let us complete the installation part. The installation is going on, and there are some packages that are upgradable. So I think that will be done automatically, and some packages might get removed also. Everything is automatic because the script has given the auto installation for the recommendations also. It will install everything what is required. You have to just sit back and just check whether the installation is going on, and if by chance if it asks for something, some user action, you have to perform that. So the Pipeware I think is complete now. Now it is installing Wire Plumber. Okay, failed to disable unit, pulse audio dot socket does not exceed. So there is the issue. So by default on Zorin OS 18, the Wire Plumber uh, after the wire plumber installation, the pulse audio socket file cannot be disabled by the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio script, and the installation fails. But we can try it once again. Let us see whether it works or not. So here again it will try to do the update, system update and upgrade, and then it will check out each step of the installation that is given in the script and try to execute again and again. So now it is removing the older kernel because we have done it second time. Otherwise, in normal course of installation, after you reboot the system, Ubuntu system will remove the older kernels automatically. But right now, since we are redoing the installation of Pro Audio, the system is again and again trying to do the installation, and when it finds any packages which are not required, they are orphan packages or they are not required, the older packages or the orphan packages get uninstalled or purged from the system. See whether no. So the installation fails for Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio configuration script on the default installation of Zorin OS 18. So if you are planning to use Zorin OS 18 for Pro Audio work, then this installation will fail. Brendan Ingram's installation, Pro Audio script installation does not work on Zorin OS 18 yet. It might work for the Zorin OS 16, the older Zorin OS, but you will have to not do the upgrade. You will have to stick with the Zorin OS 16 where the script is working, but it is not working in Zorin OS 18 right now. Though he has updated the script on the GitHub page, but in actual life it is not working. You can see here this is the issue. Unit file audio pulse audio socket does not exist. So this is not going to work, and I will have to stop the video here. Maybe after a reboot again, if you try it, it might work. You can try it for yourself, but I don't think you should work with Zorin OS 18 with this Pro Audio script for your professional audio work. Better stick with the Zorin OS 16 where the results are assured or confirmed. And yes, this is the web page for the Pipewire Debian. So this is the GitHub page for Pipewire Debian project, where you can install Pipewire for Ubuntu for all the versions above 20.04. So here you can see the PPS for wire plumber, lib camera, OpenFake, lib FDK. This is some codec, that is the AAC2 codec, and these are the library for the package. So there is a package for Pipewire, Blueman, that is the Bluetooth manager, libfree aptx, rock toolkit, lib LDAC BT, that is the LDAC codec for the Bluetooth, ABR2, wire plumber, lib camera, OpenFake, lib FDK AAC2, and lib LDA CBT encoder 2. And how to install and everything, it is given. You can just read it. So for each package the installation is given. You have to follow the installation instruction for each of the package, and then you are good to go. You have to reboot your system and start using that package features. So that's it for today's video, and we have seen that the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio script does not work for Zorin OS 18 because it gets stuck up at this removal of this unit, that is the pulse audio socket. So this socket does not get removed, and the system or the script does not go ahead and install the rest part of the Pro Audio, that is the system configuration. For example, it has to configure the system control configuration file, audio file. It has to do the addition of the user to the audio group. That is not possible. The system gets stuck up here at the pulse audio socket disablement or the removal of the pulse audio socket. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video with some other technicalities of Zorin OS 18. See you then. Bye bye.